Assalamualaikum students from class 10. This question, what is Newton's law of gravitation, belong to the your winter pack. Winter pack question है Newton's law of gravitation. What is gravity and gravitational force is the same name of given to the force of attraction between objects. Gravity or gravitational force is the name of given to the force of attraction between objects. Gravity does not only act on the earth's surface, extend to throughout the universe. The force of attraction is not only play over the surface of the earth, every two bodies attract each other. Not. This is extended towards throughout the universe. Everybody attract to each other. Everybody attract to each other. Gravity and gravitational. What gravity is and what is the gravitational? Gravity, everybody pulls towards the earth by a certain force. That force is called gravity. To explain the gravity, we use the word gravitational force. This idea force of attraction is not only found on the surface of the surface of the, it also extends up to universe. This idea was put forward by Sir Isaac Newton, a very important, very famous scientist, Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton has explained and put forward this idea in the law of universal gravitational constant. The Newton law of universal gravitational state that the force of attraction between two objects, the force of attraction between every two objects on over the surface of the earth or in the universe is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Product of their masses. जितना मास ज्यादा होगा उतना फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होगी, जितना मास कम होगा उतनी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कम होगी. The force of attraction between every two objects is directly proportional. The product of their masses, total masses जितना body 1 body 2 का जो भी उनका प्रोडक्ट मास का प्रोडक्ट होगा उसके डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है. And inversely proportional the square of the distance between them. Inversely proportional. अगर मास ज्यादा है तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कम होगी और मास कम है तो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होगी. और डिस्टेंस पे भी डिपेंड करता है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एक्ट अलोंग द लाइन ऑफ जॉइनिंग ऑफ द बॉडीज, लाइन ऑफ जॉइनिंग ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडीज. दो बॉडीज हैं M1 एंड M2, इन दोनों का सेंटर है. ये M1 का सेंटर है, ये M2 का सेंटर है. These both bodies attract to each other from their centers. They exert the force of attraction from their centers. The force of attraction is directly proportional to the product of this body and to the product of this body and inversely proportional square of the distance between them. जितनी बॉडीज दूर होंगी उतना फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कम होगा, जितनी बॉडी करीब होगी उतनी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ज्यादा होगा. Mathematically we can be expressed is like this. F stand for the force of attraction. ये sign of proportionality का. Force of attraction is directly proportional to the mass of the body. M1 and M2, mass of this body, and M2 the mass of this body. And inversely proportional R square. ये R square क्यों लिया हमने? Why we have taken R square here in this question? Because one distance we can measure from this side and other distance we can measure from this side. There will be the two distance, so the R will be the square, double हो जाएगा, distance double हो जाएगा. Now we remove the sign of proportionality. We put here capital G. Capital G is the universal gravitational constant. It is universal gravitational constant. यह universal gravitational constant in between दो bodies के बीच में रहता है. Where G is known as the universal constant It's value depend upon 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, ये इसका यूनिट है, किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. दिस इज द यूनिट ऑफ द ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट. इसकी वैल्यू है 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. This is the value of the gravitational constant. Once again I repeat, the force of attraction between two bodies directly proportional product of their masses and inversely proportional a square of the distance between them. Distance ज़्यादा होगा, force of attraction कम होगी, distance कम होगा, force of attraction ज़्यादा होगी. This all about the Newton's law of gravitational constant. Is clear? I hope you have understand this all. Take care. Allah Hafiz.